Hello, Steve here. Today I'm going to show you quite a simple task, but a task that a lot of people can still get wrong. I'm going to show you how to change a headlight bulb. As you can see here on my own vehicle, trusty little Honda Civic, the headlight bulb is gone on the driver's side. So I'm going to show you now how to change that bulb and make sure that it's done right. Firstly, you need to release the bonnet. With the bonnet released, the bonnet can then be opened. Once the bonnet is up and secure, you can access the headlight bulb by the cover on the rear of the headlight. You give it a twist anti-clockwise and the cover comes off, revealing the headlight bulb. Next, what is best to do is to remove the electrical plug off the back of the headlight bulb. Give it a steady, gentle wiggle. There you go. The jack plug has come disconnected. Now the tricky bit is there is a metal clip which secures the headlight bulb in place. You need to be able to push the metal spring clip towards the front of the vehicle, move it to the left and then to the right slightly to unhook it, and then, hey presto, one headlight bulb is removed. Okay, so here's the old bulb. I've given it a close inspection and I can see clearly that the filament has broken. Pay attention to this little metal tag. This little metal tag on the top should be facing upright when reinserting the new bulb into the headlight. When taking your new bulb out of the box or the packaging, be very careful not to touch the headlight bulb glass. There may be a protective covering on it which needs to be removed. The reason we don't touch the headlight bulb glass is because of our skin containing natural oils. Even if you think your hands are the cleanest they can be, there still is a slight bit of natural oil on your skin. And by touching the glass of the bulb, what that will do is effectively it will leave a residue behind on the glass, which in time can cause the bulb to heat up unevenly and cause the bulb to shatter as a result or burn out early. So especially if you're changing a light bulb for your customer, you need to be very, very aware that you do not touch the glass. You can now reinsert the new bulb into the vehicle. Okay, so now we can put the new headlight bulb into the headlight. Pay attention to the metal tag and make sure it goes into an upright position and locates correctly. Now lift up the spring clip and secure the bulb into the headlight. We can now plug in the wiring loom back onto the rear of the bulb, like so. And then we can take our headlight bulb cover, locate into position and turn clockwise to lock. Now we should make sure that the headlight is functioning. As you can see, both headlights are now working as they should. When working in a garage, you can always check that the headlight bulb is in the correct position by checking it with a headlamp aligner. As you can see, this is within the legal requirements stated in the MOT manual. Special attention isn't given whilst refitting the new headlight bulb. You could fit it wrong and it could then be pointing slightly upwards or downwards. In this scenario, I've simulated this to show what would happen if the bulb was slightly pointing upwards. It's giving an incorrect beam image and it will dazzle motorists coming towards you, and especially frustrating when there's a car behind you and it's like they've got their main beam on. So please be sure to check this. I appreciate everybody doesn't have a headlamp alignment equipment, but I will show you now how you can check it quite simply at home. So if you want to check your headlamp alignment after fitting a new headlight bulb but you don't have a headlamp liner, what you can simply do is wait for it to get a little bit dark, position your car close to a wall and check that the headlamp level is equal to the one that wasn't blown. If you're still unsure about this, I recommend that you take it to a garage and consult with them. Thanks for watching.